What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Jay with Garage RC here. It's Super Bowl Sunday. It's freezing.
It's really, really cold.
But I woke up early in the morning. I wanted to fly the custom private jet. Cheyenne bought me this thing a while ago, and she surprised me with it. And I had a vote, and you guys wanted me to do a custom livery of my brand. So Garage RC, here it is. It's a pain in the ass to bring out because it's red and it bleeds through everything. So I brought a blanket, and I still managed to break it on the way out. But luckily, I got a glue stick here and my little fancy generator. So I'll be able to glue it up. And we'll get some flight out of this thing. Okay, we're locked in. Can we just take a second to look how beautiful this thing is? So when I tell you this was a real headache, I wasn't even planning on doing this type of design. I was trying to do the Lewis Hamilton private jet. And then after masking it, every time I peeled the tape, I was taking red paint with it. This red paint pretty much falls off. I prepped it the right way. I even tried the baby powder method. It still didn't work. But, oh, look, I broke another thing bringing it here. Oh, my God. You know, after I fly it this time, this thing's probably going to sit in my garage on the roof. And that's it. Done. Let's glue it up. Today I'm running an SMC 4400 high voltage pack. I switched over to these packs. These are the only things I use. They have crazy power. 4.35 volts per cell compared to regular light bulb 4.2 volts. I've never used one of these in this plane. Kind of excited to see how it's going to perform. I plan on doing some like scale flying, but I also want to do some not so scale flying. All right. Wheels are coming in, flaps are coming off, and that's it, man. Forgive us for a minute here, because this is a big plane, needs a lot of runway. I can't really fly this slow in front of us. Let me get the feel for it, guys. I've been flying stunt planes a lot lately, not jets. Wow, you hear that thing? That was like half throttle. I think she's pitching up slightly. Let me trim this out. And then we'll have some fun with it. Hang on. All right, so I'm off stick. Yeah, she's climbing and going hard to the left. All right, we're coming down. Full speed. Private jet's supposed to do loops, right? This thing has a pretty good flight envelope. It's still not trimmed out though. Let me mess with the trim, then I'll come slow in front of us. Needs a little more down. All right, that should be good. All right, I'm gonna come slow pass. I'm actually gonna go full flaps on this pass. Right in front of us. Like I said, this jet is hard to fly in small areas. It just takes up so much room so fast. I'm off the throttle, coasting in. All right, little throttle. Look at that thing, huh? Flaps are off. Let's climb out. She's quiet, huh? Twin 70s. It's like a whistle. All right, full throttle. Let's climb. Climb, climb. All right, let's not stall. Coming right down center, low to the floor. Should we try touch and go? Let's go full flaps. I'm gonna wait. I'll bring the landing gear down for the final. Gear's coming down because it's on a 3-second delay. Throttle's off. Come on, touch, touch. She didn't touch. That was a flare and a half. Wheels are coming in. Let's do it again the other way. That was a good flare though. All right, gear's coming down again. Let's pitch down a little sooner. Hey, the back wheels touched that time. What's our time right? 1:50. All right, we're in good shape. All right, let's go wheels in. Flaps are off. Send this thing inverted. See if I could do that in front of us a little better. Guys, the PJ50, man, flies really well. Doesn't need safe. Kind of, you know, it's a big plane that'll handle wind, even though it's dead calm out here today. Let's go full throttle. Oh, geez. She's dead. I'm gonna be walking. It's not even turning. Oh, man. Yeah, that is. Shout out to having a sunroof. She's in one piece, man. I got one more battery. Let's put it in. This was the 4400. I think this got like 3.5, 4 minutes. Now I got a 3600 in it, so I'm only gonna run this for like 2 minutes, 2.5. But thankfully, man, nothing happened to us. Let's send it up again. This time I'm gonna go full flats on the takeoff. ATC cleared us. So this time, guys, I took my microphone off because I want you to get the real sound of the jet. So let's see if it sounds any different. Whoa. Wheels are in. Flaps are off. Come around. All right, I got my little jitters out, so let's see if I could.
My hands are shaky.
Right in front of us. Throttle's off. How beautiful this thing is. Oh my God. Freewing did a good job on this PJ50, man. It looked good even before I did the livery on it, but you know, gotta support the custom brand. Let's do a back loop. Full throttle. Big loop, big loop, big loop, big loop. Shut the throttle off, and we'll forward. Nice. If you guys are interested in getting one of these, I highly recommend this jet over the AL37. The AL37 just stole so easy. This plane has good flight characteristics. Alright, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna do a nice touch and go right in front of us. Full flaps. Landing gears down. Throttle's off. It flares so crazy. Oh my God, I missed the wheels again. I'm leaving everything down. I'm just coming around just the way it is. I gotta get one nice touch and go, like a wheelie almost. All right, throttle's off. Come on, pitching down. Decent. What's my timer at? All right, we're at 2 minutes. I'm bringing it in. I do not want a dead stick again. It's really cold out, man. These batteries die out fast when it's cold. And that's it, guys. Custom Garage RC PJ50 by Freewing. I really like flying this thing, but it's a pain to get down to the field because of the red paint, bleeding everywhere, and I break it just about every single time I bring it down. But let me know in the comments. You guys want to see more of this? You want me to strap some cameras to it? What do you want to do, man? I'm down for anything as long as I don't crash it. As always, I appreciate you watching. Until next time.